The presentation tonight is called Sankufa by Dimash, which is inspired by my root, my ancestral root from Ghana. It's just about looking back. You have to look back in order to move forward. So the whole collection was inspired by looking back, looking forward. I tell people, as soon as you get the inspiration, from the inspiration comes the collection. So one piece could take 10 hours, because it's all hand beaded, but at the same time, once you have, you know they say when you're baking a cake, as long as you have flour, you could bake a cake. So once you have the print, the flow, the sketch, then everything else falls in place. This is the High School of Fashion, which is located on 24th and 7th. So, you know, it's fashion. This school teach the kids from 12 all the way up to high school and move on to college to be a designer. So I love this place. Lots of history.
Come chat with me.